Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a logo with Canva easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Canva website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create a new account. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Canva homepage. Locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type logo into the search bar and press enter. You will see various logo templates displayed on the screen. Browse through the templates and choose one that fits your style. Click on the template to open it in the design editor. On the left side of the screen, you will find various customization options. To change the text, click on the text box and type your brand name. Adjust the font style using the font options available in the top menu. Change the font size and color to match your brand identity. To modify graphics, click on the icon or image you want to change. You can resize or rotate the image by clicking and dragging the corner handles. If you want to add new elements, click on the Elements tab on the left. Search for shapes, icons, or illustrations that fit your logo design. Drag any new elements you want onto your canvas. Adjust their size and position as necessary. To change the background color, click on the background and select a new color from the top menu. Make sure to align all elements properly for a cohesive look. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the download button in the top right corner. Choose your desired file type, such as PNG or JPEG. Finally, click the download button to save your logo to your device. You have now successfully created a logo using Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.